Hi everyone, are you looking for the best RC car from Amazon? Then you have come to the right place. Here you will find the best RC car of desired features as per your requirement. I have selected the top 5 best Amazon RC cars for their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links for the RC car are in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get started. And at number 5, the best RC car is Holyton 1x10 scale off-road RC car. This is a 1x10 realistic scale high-speed RC car. The RC car is fitted with all-terrain tires and an upgraded motor that can reach up to 48 km/h at high speed. This gives you more competitiveness when it comes to drag racing. Its full-scale speed control allows for smooth speed variations, and high-frequency acceleration provides an authentic driving experience that guarantees the ultimate enjoyment and thrills at high speed. The car with 4 wheels comes with an independent suspension and metal shock absorbers for oil, which will effectively shield the vehicle from falling or crashes the car, thereby increasing its longevity. It has excellent all-around driving capabilities, giving you the ability to drive wherever you would like to go through the mud, water, grass, sand, and other environments that would not have been feasible before. The 2.4 GHz frequency gives you rapid responsive control. The operating range of the vehicle is 100 meters, which is more than other RC cars that allow you to race with other vehicles with no interference. This truck for hobby use is specifically designed for beginners and intermediate level users who are looking to advance higher-end hobby grade, or simply take a step away from the standard RC car. This RC car has a high-toughness shell and reinforced body frame. The entire shell of the remote-controlled vehicle is made from PVC with high strength, which gives the vehicle a greater resistance to collisions, which will extend its lifespan. The use of a strengthened body frame gives the vehicle more grip when racing. This car comes with 2 powerful 1800 mAh rechargeable batteries. Increase the time of driving up to 40 minutes. The functions of protection, such as waterproof and low-voltage detection, thermal shutdown protection, make the car suitable for anyone of any age. And at number 4, the best RC car is Dee RC 300E 1x18 Scale Brushless RC Car. This RC car comes with an efficient motor that runs at speeds of between 90 and 95 miles per hour. It can achieve speeds of around 60 km/h and with a speed of 35 miles per hour. It is equipped with a 4-wheel drive and backed by 4 independent suspensions. The RTR remote-controlled truck will get powerful power and fantastic defense against collisions, as well as an impressive increase in the minimum acceptable altitudes for dropping. It will provide you with endless entertainment both in on-road and off-road environments. This RC car comes with an extremely powerful brushless electric motor. The life and speed of this truck will be significantly increased. The lifespan of brushes is about 3 times the life of a motor that is brushed, and the energy consumption is just 1 or 3 of that of the brush-driven motor. With the waterproof brushless escape that you can choose from 8 acceleration options, 8 timing options, as well as multiple options for protection. This monster truck with high speed is ready to go rumbling, but make sure you don't get blackouts from the excitement. These radio control cars are equipped with a 7.4-volt, 1200 mAh battery rechargeable by lithium polymer. This RC car for adults and boys will last for approximately 20 minutes on each battery. 2 batteries will keep the car running. The red cover is an additional feature that helps you choose the color you prefer and also adds a further guarantee to your vehicle. Increase your enjoyment and create for top RC racing performance. The pistol grip transmitter features complete digital controls, including proportional throttle and steering to ensure smooth turning and racing. It also has integrated 2.4 GHz technology, which allows up to 12 vehicles to race simultaneously. Change the speed control clockwise to increase the speed of driving, and turn your speed control counterclockwise in order to reduce the speed of driving. This RC vehicle can be easily controlled from a distance that extends as 328 feet. It is suitable for all levels of RC car enthusiasts. It is an RC car is constructed using a sealed, all-metal ball bearing, shocks made of oil and rubber tires that are anti-skid, shock absorbers that are anti-vibration, as well as a nylon chassis. The cross-country vehicle is ready to race. no matter what the terrain is: mud, sand, or mountains with rugged stone. It is fully assembled right out of the box. It is suitable for outdoor and indoor play. An excellent car toy to give to kids and adults of all ages. In at number 3, the best RC car is Laegendary 4x4 Off-Road RC Car. With a combination of coils of wire wound together, the engine of this RC car functions as a 2-pole electromagnet to achieve super-powered speeds up to 30 miles per hour. These RC vehicles for kids and adults come with 2 LiPo 7.4-volt rechargeable, 1600 mAh batteries which can last for more than 40 minutes at once. No matter if you're driving on concrete, sand, or any other surface. The RC monster vehicles for girls and boys are designed to stand up to the toughest surfaces, with precise handling, control, and endurance. This RC truck has a remote control that is simple to use and easier to handle, and features 2 speed modes, high and low, to provide the best handling of up to 250 feet. This remote control monster truck is ready to ride right out of the box. Simply put your car on the ground and get going. In at number 2, the best RC car is Traxxas Rustler XL5 RC Car. This RC car comes with a premium power system. The powerful Typhon 12T550 modified motor has 12 turns of copper-free wire that provide more torque and power handling capabilities. The XL5 electronic speed controller features an all-waterproof design. 3 throttle profiles with low voltage detection and thermal shutdown protection. 4 to 7 cells and LiPo 2 compatible, and integrated BEC. The car is equipped with a 2.4 GHz radio system that features advanced programming that offers long-range operation with smooth and non-flooding performance. Traxxas high-current connectors have been designed to work with high-current devices and provide maximum power to the vehicle's electronics. In that RC car includes 3000 mAh, 8.4-volt, power cell Ni-mH battery, and 4A 12 volts DC peak detecting fast charger for reliable charging and power. In at number 1, the best RC car is Typhon 6SV5 4W Dee RC Car. This stunt RC car is the perfect gift for your children and the family toy, which is extremely portable to carry to play. 2.4 GHz remote control distance without any interference, 50 meters on land. So durable performance. This multifunction amphibious stunt car has forward, backward, turn left, turn right, 360 degrees tumbling rotating, double sides running. 4-wheel drive, strong pull, well done in climbing slope. This remote-controlled toy car comes with 7.4-volt rechargeable batteries which could be charged by a USB cable, playing time 15 minutes. This RC truck is made of high-quality ABS plastic and metal materials. Non-toxic, tasteless, brake-resistant, crash-resistant and waterproof design. The premium new body comes with a forged composite body and features a matte painted finish. The brand new low-drag, high-speed wing has reinforced wing mounts that can endure the impact and carry on. Multi-terrain and high-speed wheels, Qatar B tires for thrilling speed, intense driving, and enjoyment in all weather conditions. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. If you have any question, please write on the comment box.